ya from the dead. Yes, and yeah, but too high. A brand new day, what about it? So, what you been, man? I said, what the fuck, what to what is you? People, what it? But in the store, I give it to you, what you know. No go feel it, no go, feel it. It's too heavy. No go feel it, no go, feel it.
Run the song music.
I be the mastermind, if you play me, I go show you. Bear my drone.
Papa, how would them be OMB? Said you na mother. Ever feel cook boy? What said? Run over for cook. Saying that don't suck me in beer, boom, Adam's bail. Bezam won't ya.
No confuse.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, okay.
Quit cheap pound.
Okay. You bet me do apple.
Okay. To see be okay.
Oh, be okay.
Mama say. To man.
But 10 series to be man now.
Say
10 series.
Oh. So na 10 series reserve.
10 series. 10 series.
I don't even say 10 series shame go to Kuman. Je. Ah, who may you talk no?
Sorry.
Hello? Oh. Emia, Emia. I'm free. Oh, get them. No, this is no, T. While I'm waiting now, you didn't forget. Start for. Yo, Marty. Now, Chem, anytime, baby operation, no more, arrange the share. Much will call you. Aye. Okay, that's it. Good. This is about us. Okay? I'm pretty tired there. Saying the man I'm with.
Excuse me.
Hello?
Look, I'm not good at promises, but I will see what I can do.
Yeah, I'll catch him. Abazine here.
Before the weekend, Ubetimenka.
I thought we were going to spend some quality time together, especially after a long break here.
Well, honestly, possible, but definitely not tonight.
Oh, Mankade the whole night. I mean, just a few hours together.
Look, Mabre, I've been out of the house the whole day. I'm exhausted. I need to go home, freshen up and have a rest.
Come on, sweetheart. The hotel be any one area hall. Enfima.
After everything that has happened?
We've sorted everything out. Anne. Give me that look. thing has stayed on my mind forever.
Hey. First day, and I did some things, and also right.
Okay.
Naughty boy.
No, that's me. Yeah, hello. Oh, okay. Yes, 1 million CDs is confirmed to be delivered at site tomorrow. Yes. No, back there, the shadow part, first in the body. It's in Pochopi, but who accountants in Umbrella office and a part. No, I joined the team with Boaba. You use bullion van. If you use office car, and my work accountant in the joint meeting one office, no one drive for Brad. Okay. Thank you. Back to you.
No, show baby, baby, cry. I need not, but by this time. Hello? Bacho, I do my bay. Oh, may now on there. I was where to my acquaintance, maybe out. Why? Oh, order. How much? Mate. No problem. Okay. Oh, yeah, best. So, me do me be a pie. You can see me share now, Machina. Young country man, once. Hey, Massa. Sorry. My friends is here, say, do not be my near strange meaning. Hey, Massa. Oh. What happened now? I don't hear you. Asa! You see? I should be a man. Jesus, talk.
When you're ready, the next 30 minutes was the scare for site.
Oh, okay. What's your matter?
Security escort be Saba, so Rebecca on my call.
Oh, okay. What's your matter? You must be the escort.
Yes.
Okay. Now have a seat.
Yes, I'm Capullion van and see Bache, the company can in Morocco. And it's not escort out in Morocco. Now I will count on you very much. Be depend on you.
Boss, just be rest assured. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, this is not the first time he uses Karako mines one. Yeah, uncle. But Erabe na menye familia, minshada nyeme na kakra.
Oh, any mean?
Debbie.
Yeah, partners one new accountant are winning.
Oh, okay.
I know about your one or that.
Okay.
Okay. See, so when you be able to one go safely and make sure that everything is okay, right?
Boss.
Bache,
Boss.
I trust you.
Yes,
Drive safely and bring everybody back. Okay?
Yes,
That's it.
Okay. Oh, yeah, no problem. Yeah, you have sorting out. Yes,
I'm choosy.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello? More post. Correct. And to be a be moving. Why? In about 15 minutes time there you be moving. Tell the motion in your back. Okay. Then they set. Everything is set. Just wait to have to wait and see if they move. Or move to ya near to.
Hello? Ama na wala ba some shini? You put in your Geneva friend. Awesome. Nerbo bini no wa friend and saba. Not to the Ghana for cross some you want them back in Belgium. Yanya demo. Hey Bobini fear you call the person. Oh Mati. Me is banana mukun, we remember. Jino horse is yamang in the demo you. But for how you the just is banana. I wish I get what the scorpion in the bed, what I do couldn't if missing. Man is ban, naming Bruce Madashan war. So where did you are? Matama from Chamber by.
This cap here. No change up. This thing they take the sleep. No go change up. For disguise yourself, my brother. I look sharp now. Disguise. I do that. Answer. Hello? Nyabotre. They follow them now. Then they go slow. They follow them slow. Yes, sir. Once they come out, enter the highway, go follow them bomber to bomber. Yes, I'm telling you. Exactly. So they follow them. Yes, correct. No yawa.
They ask if they follow them.
Yeah, it isn't a joke. This guy is having drive.
Can we stop at the next restaurant and have breakfast?
Hey, now and young Pam, you are Casawaka.
Stay away from food.
But you're only fast to our home.
Listen, we are on a mission. Until the mission is done, no food. I don't want to pay you.
Massa. Shall make a Kenya, fair, fair. About some sunny. Let's make a Kenyan baby. Never send you panel on the farm to do. Oh.
But what if you take a different route?
Different route. It's only one way. They can't use any different route.
Massa, stop assuming. What if? That's what I'm asking. What if? That is the question. What if?
There's no other route. One route. Is there any other parking?
Anywhere there is space, we are police. Once you see space, enter. Why you park for here? Maybe we enter. We go lose these guys. Oh.
No. We lose them. Just keep an eye on them, eh? There's still these guys.
I'm keeping an eye on them. You're in that traffic again. Even my eyes are tired.
Yeah, that's all for you, my dear. Oh, but my afao. Let's be zebra. Share. Only young canoe. She said, "A new movement, Until was another." Okay. Life restored.
I need to pee. Hello, I need to pee. What for?
Pee into it. I don't compromise with my work principles.
That principle is on your base.
On such a mission, you only stop at the destination.
Excuse me, I need to pee. Driver, stop!
Young lady, listen to me. We are being tracked, and every violation on my part will result into dire consequence.
And so?
We can't stop. Drive on.
Wow.
My own pee. My own pee that I want to pee. Well, I'm making some better Johnson.
Hey, now Papa some should work a friend is the camera not it and me about some sugar.
Massa, go past the other side. Let's pass the junction behind us. You know if we pass here now, traffic.
It's one way. How can we go back again? We'll go to the last end.
Guy, just use your hazard. Press your hazard. Make we pass here. We are police officers. Oh, we don't get time. We go lose these guys, oh.
Okay, brace yourself. I didn't say embrace yourself. Brace yourself.
You talk well. You say brace. That is an embrace. Guy, move the car. Come on for road. Hey.
And where are you going?
I'm escorting them to the next village.
Huh?
Okay, wait here. They said they are going to the next village.
To the next village?
Yes.
Carry on.
Let's go. Let's try. You can't get away. You can't get away. That's right. Move it! Move it! Wait, they know say we dey come. Why did they drive fast like that? Watch out, bro. Watch out, watch out, watch out. This is they won't get away before here. You can't get away. Ah. Come on, Pharaoh! Leave the way! See you anyway.
One day they may back.
Since you're able to make San News Sanjos.
Hey, that be why Mr. Check. Don't make one.
Someone else down on fashion wine.
Hello.
Yes, like I say, in your route where you call next village.
Number, you can see the road is blocked. It's under construction.
Me a security guy. Alright. My name is me a Scotch Mark baby.
I get you, but we are also working here. I'm sorry, I need to use the other lane.
Okay.
Thank you.
Me a security guy. Let's use that out.
Hey, I ain't Vazanian.
When we get there, you know.
Shake them.
Calm down. Officer, brah, now. Calm down. Calm down.
Officer. All correct. Your license. Then I say we be police officers.
I do it. What the
officers?
Mama introduce you on we are police officers. I am Sergeant John, and this is my partner, Sergeant Farouk. Yeah, tele rapist be. So what next street no? And to cry na me abefa keza ke so other road.
We are police officer.
Yeah.
In identification.
Exactly. We trace only way to man. Yes. My police number is 466.
Make a number, make a ID.
Card, identity card.
Identity card. That proves you are a police officer.
And I'm a man. You can check. Don't you have a verification machine to check? And my mama, 4 6 card in the any hat. You know, my mama ultimate check. I need a card. We don't have a card here. I'll give you my number.
But how are we supposed to know, verify that you are police officers when you are not carrying your card?
Officer, Yabotre. Yabotre. How you won't know? We don't already tell you so you be police officer. Wait till you won't know now, bros. I bet we'll get time. We'll get what you want to do at the end.
We don't believe you. Or do you?
No.
We don't believe you. Provide your driver's license. Provide your driver's license. Stop.
Hey, Masa. Jinanchen. What's happened? You won't blind me? You say you're inside bank? You just swing your hand up and down.
I know their plan. They want us to touch them so they can become famous and make some and get some small money. But we are not touching you today. Provide your license and stop wasting our time.
Officer, we don't have driver's license here.
You don't have. Then follow me.
Follow you where? Officer, I to a quick temper. You do not know chance yenche. You cry a chance you say you near kasa by heart. Bakakraba your honey and kazaza. In a police for ID card me nibi waha. Ain't na mama me number ninti say unya number ne dia. And then there.
Follow us.
Say you don't have it. Are you ambushing us because I am not able to provide an identity? I'm giving you my station number. 4 6.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Let me just give you my phone and then you talk to my station master.
That's not necessary.
We are not talking to any station officer, sergeant or lieutenant. Just bring your ID card, license,
Simple.
driver's license, and just period. Stop wasting our time. Otherwise, follow us.
Get out from the car!
Bro, they are already out of the car.
Follow me. Follow us.
The weed they tell they say.
Follow us.
We dey inside car. You say when you smoke, the guys you go to talk to multitude. Now the multitude they tell and say we dey inside car. Meanwhile we dey outside.
Are they new recruit or old recruit?
They be freshers. You say they ask for license instead of cough syrup.
And when Sergeant Abumu anke ya kwade down. Na mo dey na mo ye. You dey go. Mo ba da ben.
They ask for cough
Mo
syrup.
bobo we go ni paso sta bad.
They know well. Look at they don't smoke.
I suspect them.
They don't smoke.
That short one with the cough.
He's sick.
Let your my sing. Ebe mara minye juma. Me de madi ni nyansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Boy si yansu ye pre wate. Udi si ya metu. Ajuma ni kiwa ubesu.
The operation failed.
Be positive, my brother. To only fail if so omube drew destination once and yenye be drew. The delay by nyashe.
Who will believe that we failed?
Be positive. Farouk, be positive. There is no failure in this thing we are doing. I have belief that we'll get there before they do. Let's just move.
Come on for there. Coach you, Lord Joe. The guy make us miss that guy. We still catch up. Don't worry. Let's go back and use the other route.
Why?
Because they did not take this route. See the rough route. No sign of tire for you. They passed the other route. We'll go back there at the back.
Oh, it's the same route they took. You should tie no crown no more. Just other cars are better.
It's not possible. Let's go back at the begging. No time. You go lose this people.
Master, I'm not convinced. They use this road.
I am not trying to convince you. Let's turn. Let's turn the car, they beg you. Go back there, we will go miss them.
Drive at 100 kilometers per hour. Else we'll be late. That's my favorite. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. Then I'll do this How about some see? Now, say 30 minutes just that by this time. And you're not Casa, but I just do it wrong. Mama phone, I said, I mean, you know, phone, I said, what to if you are. Share ever mean your beer. Miss K, oh, you have made you from say. Hello? But you're waiting on your Nakasa. My favorite driver down secretary na on far. Oh, what's what's about Yo, Martin. Hello, Commander. But you are sorry. Holdings. Yo. Oh, you're very busy. Before I'm far. But after the call is not today. Now, but you mean you wake up. No, but this scam my partners for mines, no. Now, my friend traveled and I'm secretary several times. Oh, one far. Maybe this is similar to there. Maybe I sing this. Say, bit my brother. Oh, okay. Oh, and you're baby the papa. Yeah, but oh no, don't worry. Be pure and me one. Be pure and me one. That's it. That's it.
Hey, drop it! Azab, drop it! Hey, push! Hey! John. I don't know, ask them what to do. Let them there. I don't see what happened here. What happened here? What happened here? I want to help me.
Why are you asking questions? Ask him questions that will lead us to our goal.
Like what happened here?
Who is the security officer?
What was your mom? They're not talking. Let's help them. They need help. You try to help them.
You know the helper. If you help them, yes, they will appreciate. What did you?
Farouk! Hey! We have to help them. Yeah, you need. I was here, bomb.
When you help them, yes, they will appreciate that. But which kind of person? I don't want to lose my job because of these people. And that come up.
Working on such a delicate case, okay, you don't need to trap the suspect by yourself. You understand? You have to employ the third party to do the job for you, but you have to warn them not to disclose you are the one behind it.
Sure, that is very true.
Yeah, and by doing so, you know, you have to play some kind of tricks to get the necessary information that you want.
No, it's very true what you are saying. 112 here, over. Yes, Justice Azu Street, over. Dispatch team. All correct, sir. We will be there right away. Over. This early morning too. Sir, we have an emergency at the intersection. This early morning.
I think it must be those boys.
Yes, I think it's those guys.
Look, Feni Abaleboka, get out of here. Ties anything. Let's get out of here.
Driver, yanko. You're quite junction, so radio will be BSC.
Oh, radio not say.
Radio not say. And your car with you. Yanko.
What is happening here? Let's go.
No, come. Check on them.
Are they still alive?
Hello, over.
This one is alive.
122, over. Yeah, we encountered some incident over here.
This one is also alive.
The road construction is going on. Yeah, the road construction. But don't touch anything. Yeah. We had to have the ongoing construction road. Yeah. Over.
They are not yet back from the hospital. Could you please check on them? Thanks.
Sir, it be like you follow me talk something before.
Yes. 2 years ago, we had a similar case. And at the end of the day, the culprits were arrested. No criminal should be able to outwit us. And as long as I am on this seat, we will make sure we bring them out. I think you understand what I mean.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. Now this case is on your shoulders. So do whatever it takes to bring it to the bottom.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But, sir, you see, the last investigation where we do on top the armed robbers, now Sergeant John personally carry and put on top his shoulder. So I don't know whether I invite him come this case.
Why him?
Sir, because you mentioned shoulder. And sir, not only Sergeant John's shoulder, now him big pass every other person's shoulder for this station. If you see his shoulder, he broad though. So no look the way him did like that. His shoulder big. If he carry like 4 cases on top of the shoulder, he no go fall.
Tell him to report tomorrow.
Sir, just like that?
I'll take care of his salary arrears later.
Yeah, but sir, I just say you no go ever come back here again. No?
I wanted to teach him a lesson.
Okay. So, sir, this very case, how we want to handle it?
You just made a recommendation. Find out.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Carry on.
I'm very sorry for what happened to you. But have you been to the police? I was at the police station now report a case.
Rabba, maybe I'm not reading them sis, yeah. Send I'm not new age when you know where I'm son.
But what's the way, baby? You need to go to the police station or do something. Want me to know when I want German, as you said. Hey, Sika baby. I don't mean German and Kosa.
I guess that's them, man. My you 1 million cedis. On your simple capre bill. I guess that's them, make it low to numbers can that Chenkov.
The main reason why I was the way you be found. Because it does. You just sip on this drink. It will help you cool off. Why? I can help you trace them if you don't mind.
Then?
It's very simple. Lay off all your employees and tell your partner to do same.
The master would be BBIT. In Moena, a period of bomb.
Opa yesterday. Say, Nyamakano, it makes sense and that's it. Why do you always do this? She knew I'm a cow for me serious. Just a minute, they be a baby man will be over the bar.
Say, I would say. Confronting a year coming as when Busumakitia, including your one rent. Now, keeping on what my neighbors do.
How is that supposed to be your concern? Why didn't I run a wash? Well, they might not be involved in anything, but valuable information I bet to me trace your man as a baby. Near me, Patchen, so I say, and I'm ready to help.
Ima, the evening now. Threats, come Ima.
Martin.
Guy, wait. What you good tell Nadia? I want to convince her. Now, Farouk, where you so convincing men and women? Eh? The young catcher no bedie. She only rely on our evidence. Evidence, what any other man? She doesn't have any say. Evidence? Which evidence you get? The evidence of failure to accomplish her attacks. Yeah. Because that one go hard though. Oh, Massa. She doesn't have any power not to believe us. We have the power. See, we have to tell her, say. So she has to believe it. But how she won't take believe, say we fail when we update them on the journey as we go. Farouk, that update na ya confra. So she no do was a movie. Me they are no na nya masem. They also catch me, ya catch me be it.
So, is it a crime to call you after a successful assignment?
Madam, what did I say? Oh, the kind of investigative journalism where police work. Here strategy, you know, once your car, you have to just relax. Oh, yeah, I bet you are human near the echo. It's near Drew stage 2.
Okay, so what now?
So dear, my make us and your baby, your best year will be near boss and action. Yeah, we why? Nadia. Why not tell her the truth? What truth? Did you see for your face? She's dumb. Nimashe. Wait, you better treat this the quantum one near the tuna dream. Oh, how you take enter police service? What kind of stupid question is that? How I take join police service? How you take join? See, you Jimmy Rem, one of those who Jimmy near the room. See, I quite young one. My friend, will you sit? Tracy. Write down your statement.
I want to talk to my lawyer. But
Chris, you get lawyer? Eh? Who person no lawyer kasa?
But I'm no lawyer kasa.
Wow, to a movie.
Gabi.
We need you. Nice one. Obey your lawyer.
Say you're police.
Eh? You didn't know when I go school. Eh? You this criminal. You didn't know when I go school. You like Chris? Lawyer, what did I catch on? I get legal law aid. I am a man lawyers. I am police station. But I did. How bad? They don't buy no better and only a friendly statement. It's one drop. Let them hear you to a statement.
But I'm the lawyer kasa.
I don't get time for this bamboo. I don't want to fall back on the Grammy. Get up. Get up.
How the time when you go court?
You do what am I going to statement? No one said, yes, another hardened criminal.
Sit down. Criminal.
Be a criminal now. Simulate every time.
What wrong? Who bought Because sorry.
I'm sorry.
And yet I am a police in society. And yet right. What wrong?
But you don't want to buy me,
Now, how come now and buy? Catching someone with only statement. Or bet na sad that sells one. My last criminal betting organ one in a bed. True statement. I also open lawyer. And I also open lawyer. Only now for plan. On also 20. Also on draw. Metro. Like I had to say about what you slap. Okay,
watch it.
Only watch it. Ready?
35.
Then shut up. You're 50. You talk 50 for you, you talk 35 for you, they craze. This is what they play with you for you.
35. Why?
They call police, they like the police station.
I want like 35.
Where the 35?
Now you look 50.
Sorry.
Write the statement. Tell us where the money is. Criminal. Where the money? Where is the money?
A professional driver.
Write your statement. Write it here. This is what they play with
professional.
They drive with criminals. They drive
and reverse. Driving, parking, professional engineering. Why? Kafra,
Write it. You died here. Where the money? Where the money?
Sorry. Account. Sorry. Tell us what happened. What now the baby? I said no need for case in na drop. Now I write an FS. I come up fine now. Yes.
Where the money there? Right am here.
Minimum show.
And then sorry, 2 years. Jamo ya yo. Give me. I just start 2 best side.
Bye.
Oh, friend me buy. So when on him.
Write it.
My Joe friend me buy.
That's really nice.
Man, so true.
Now put down for sale.
I feel
come on. You say you
I don't know where the money is.
You don't know where the money is?
I don't know.
We'll go know today.
Only more sorry. Sorry, why? I didn't say crying. I put my bottom on fire. He never want to go.
He's a criminal.
He never want to go. And your hand will pain you. This boy insists on the shower. Now those boys that take money, trust them, short now. They need to know your kwabo, no one person bedroom. No one suspecting.
It's from American. It's kind of amazing good snapper. Now, watch me.
No, scan na coin for.
Na come partners hall.
Now you're saying
1 million cedis.
And on your age, man, oh, GOBD.
Oh, Jonesy, but when we see the me if.
Why not a
Oh, I'm secretary. Also, my friend in Chai, my driver. Now, my partners in Winnie na security man.
Okay, then Yashi, a better statement. Who call charge office for but this time we call dark room. Because year renovation was cell block. And this is say you know what dark room.
Oh. Honestly, what bottom needs care. Wait, Miss Biamon.
Oh, yeah, better was it. Auntie, here I ever felt.
Yo, Mudasipi. Maba. Yo, Mudasipi. My friend, will you talk?
Boss, see, I don't know what to tell you again. You see, when I heard the sound, and me who said, and who said so bano. Me ni she be a mate maybe, me deny, but yakono. Me kai she, see, me yakono me who's. Dia me kai kakra ne say MC yakon na obi ne me kasa boys too be ne me kasa but na me ni so aye me wija nti dia ho kai yo dia me ka kire mo me kai sir o say the two boys tina wo see African and no tonight I see tabra wo du ka wan wo so bi doji debi o me hu ka bia but at a point, you could do baby na boys been na almost see kwan. Nti you divert kwan keke. Two boys be ya kwan. Contractor na no ya kwan. Chama na contractor ndi. Anyam na me no ka sai security officer no. But not him in China. I know him koda no nanje. Well hu mo dey na fine. Na eba ne sen ena bag no kopie wo car ni abaye kom ye de bag no kwako hye me hu ye nanso time pay free car ni de me hu masa that's a knock at me officer she wa wo ye driver wo kura car key no bag no kopie wo car ni mu no wa hu na de nye key ni e de be bia butu na pesa me ka cho se won na car no ko ena e tie sound no eno pena me kai hwe bi o kwaya bag no ebesi mo ese free nice one nti utwi car obi anya call ana obi an receive call no officer question na obisa me say call dem go receive say you man no just question also this am no question for question how dare you enkai on kai ana unnim minim unnim fine case na car no mo kono mudina wo kwan so baby you deny 3 times deny 3 times
So it's been in the news that the money is lost, and of course I contracted you both to make sure of that.
Nadia, Asamaoh okay. Opa just say ente de ekoswana. Of course, about news Moses Kanaira. You know him. Cause you cry at news on. But the person me try say sikana ayira no. Ye nim ho hwe. Ekwan ye fa so ayira ye. We don't know anything about it.
Perfect lies. Perfect lies.
Nyabutre. It was just a coincidence.
What? Coincidence? Are you for real? You know what? Don't even keep the truth away from me because I already know.
Nadia, if you already know the truth, why you want me to tell you another one? You want
because I want you to respect your part of our agreement.
That's in your respect. What I say? And Nadia was here and and as is here Scanaira. Internet Scanaira na yeni motion. I don't person try say face Scanana. Yeni motion. And the Scanaira. Farouk is aware. I'm aware.
Well, it looks good. But I have to take my leave.
So that means the truth will don't tell you now, don't belly for you.
No, I will just find a perfect time and look for the money.
Eh? I don't make it difficult.
Okay, looks good. I need to go now.
That's fine.
Let go my sing.
You see, Mama can head of purchasing now offer the Kofi late 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Mr. Sorry. I didn't when you sue billion service and I'm fan transfer of Zikanko.
No, it is billion van.
When you sue billions for that.
Baby, yeah, your office car now, or this can go.
We should more office car. No. And a DCK coy.
No.
I see. Mr. Azari, I didn't see and Mohamu Yusumuka.
Oh, your mutual agreement. I ain't say Juma. What I said them, yeah, they made me easily be. That's can also not need to be considered.
Mutual agreement. Mr. Azari, na security for no more the same way to memoir.
Oh, yeah, should use security. They guards be no way.
Money security
They them security services in our men guards.
Ejuma ponke CSE ya mutri sika fe money security.
Yeah, you don't call them you don't call you.
Normal watchman.
No.
So okay. And Mr. Azari, susu se obi ate se wudi sika hu asemachi obi. E ma ni hu se wudi sika bi ko baby no metimi adombo cross up ya.
David. I'm in charge, baby. Mr. Ketti. No driver. Minimum 30 minutes before Ofia.
Secretary.
No driver.
And a driver.
30 minutes before the time of Ofia now, we found the work of them I couldn't do.
Omumi no pay.
Baby. Nah, accountant. My friend there on the meeting. Wow. Nah, security guard now come home. Or a day guard, day security watchman wa. Na many come home there or you want to go.
Okay. Say otra security no money be. Nti we na ya watchman.
What you?
To watchman. On also come. Na Mr. Asare. Wabusu ya for so.
Ombim kra. Me pen o ha. Mo fama na bon aka na wo ebuchi.
Wabusu ni bia wo ebuchi.
O na wo ebuchi.
O fa kra so abuchi.
Me pen o ha.
O yere pen o ha. Oni we nya besa ho.
No, chon wa.
On tu kwenda. Only traveling experience.
Not. You cook the beer.
Wafre security firm no obisa say security officer wa bejuma.
Your friend was there 3 days ago now or resigning.
Sir. Yawotre.
With security guy no I resigned 3 days ago.
Yawotre.
He any din and a number.
Mama secretary.
When you were secretary,
you know.
I suspect.
Okay.
I suspect.
Suspect.
Yes.
It's all right. It's all right.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
This question. One, something. After I told him.
Pacho sign hammer. Then now ye. So signature man na.
Correct that one na me sign no.
O signature no.
Skitty is in yan sign back mo signature be 25 me kanini na album na. E fa me no so ama so ba shit.
Hey. Obe yes na paper na say.
Nyate bro. Come pay for shit kakraka. Track on his sentinel. As I Matia Beca first one. Yes, can't dot to be any.
I lift the embargo no on your salary. How then when in you?
I am nimse obey, but me do who Bruce cried that. My two home party create no sign in na I change na.
Anyway, no pay me call uncle who suspect no. Now me who say kitwa no woman. Edem papa.
Commander, who do you need? Commander, where dear draw rough. Kitwa no woman. 3x4 no. Where dear draw, Commander, to no ne kasa gra no one mind about some be more. She when him say eyeball to eyeball, rebe fi bibia. E ka kete W1 no can you refi ne charges for the money now. She didn't say ya. How much you put on it here? What we dear do? But station ya dabla. We dear rough.
Auntie me person me transfer no call a regional headquarters.
Okay, there. Commander. Ijanka you station ya there. So me so kura me to on me to commander me so me dear do. I miss even by one him. I no pay me reparate. No me bunu tutu. Ba me dear draw rough green na me. Say no na we di so. Commander Jan mine. What eh?
Until bet me no.
Oh man down the sharp.
Wait na me petty. Until you are now in charge.
Thank you, sir.
Take over.
All right, sir. Thank you, Commander.
Carry on.
Yes, sir. Commander. I found my mujam ya mebu egumu.
Kwana nye kweju babe nanka miss na weekend nka nyentu kwankwo hye baby nanka yamba bayan babe in there everything sana planning ya sisi an American wo Peace FM online o planning obia and cross one
nti o ye hona no
only momze one sure but me sure that what the baba nya ka na gudu wo phone no do no yes
mas ada misika na me hia sesia so wo wie misika no so wo twen yo so wo yes aka wo amfa mo misika na me hia
babe na mugudu mo bompe mo bibia be fine
weekend if you have keep him time amisa misika na mo ko
mommy kita briefcase no more at least
fa
understand music.
Hey, wind down.
Okay. What is my offense?
All right, move. Sorry, go. Go. Sorry, oh.
Wow, we'll lose this guy again. How have you missed this one?
Baby, the same car with the chase.
No. This one is different. This one is like the changer. So,
Let's find something.
I will give you something small. Hold this one and share with your guy.
But this one not enough. Ask more. We beg you, ask more for the boys.
Come, I don't tell you, sir, be officer. You see that worry? Move it.
Crazy, oh. I gotta slip away again. But how have you missed this one?
We miss him. Move it.
Noko fio, noko fio, Itu ami.
Now you breakfast too.
No.
Baby, now your bunny be a fetch him.
Well, let's try. But my baby banana. And I pay him coins all free. Couldn't really bring you.
Okay, no bouncer with you.
Oh. Zufi Asam. I'm to meet the officer.
Baby, and you miss Yasam. I won't air my son. I sent him a minkonkozi. And master may be beer.
Them are show Suban. If they are Suban, no Yasaman.
I'm being silly. Prepare to be anything. Since I big breakfast, I mean, you want to cozy. Yeah, baby, I had the the man, and then you will come back.
No, my saying, Ebe Marani.
Me kwanya on me fa so me kura ni me pet. What you say? Say be your pen na my eduma ma. I've done deals for big men. They all trust me. They give me the believability. Say, me aye eduma no more trust me. Trust ni wa eduma ntimi nkoso. Na eduma ye what doing that be na me so ma doing that be na trust ni ho. Ye be dey to mpo eduma.
If you are still going to sit here and talk about trust, I will have no other choice than to call the police on you.
Call police? I'm the police. Why am you now quite friend? What you say? Did you make a seminar? Oh, me anka sa shidi this is menya.
What in the metron? But me who say bia unyamwa enti na me di bread to was adwuma we meye na chese mayabo.
Yes, it still has nothing to do with trust.
What they good? Sorry. Enyako, 1 second. Yes sir, come on. Yes sir. So you would draw. We are not a person trouble. I want my mamma explain your trouble. Send a message post and send a telecast and BBR was on point near Genetrina. Me who said 2 guys are better than I can. Oh, and I can't use to go. Tell one and moon said no. Deal with problem. Tim cried the number so soon cries and come miss ya on a mattress saying a quiet internet mamma mission if you
Auntie, Sana Walker.
And it should be any. Oh, dear, horse are not just a. You're making me unprofessional. I'm better. Oh, I'm saying, Sika, Nadia, what will be being to know. And also, my dear, the dinner I out there. What dear,
I'm Sika for dear.
Person, a duma no problem na ba. Is young going his sky and Emma, only be too dear.
Ah! Faustika.
A Dawson, many check a crana or the young.
Faustika coming home.
I know it's a compensation to me compensate now some no problem. Bemono, share no one frame so bad mammy another dear me a year juma. Chen na one tema home crampo share number near crammy delete me fro 530 cram fro me delete number me near jumasa. Sisi a juma na buy and uncle you whom you are trim, so me one make him. Name me baby, don't go and mention my name anywhere. Me a quick temper.
So are you gonna be quiet until you get a lawyer?
Yeah. But I want you to do something for me. I need to pick up some money for my employer. I can't trust anybody to do it for me.
We are not in good terms.
I know that. But I can't trust anybody. That's why I want you to do it for me.
Okay.
Thanks.
Back to the issue of the lawyer. I think it's wiser to speak now.
I will when I have to. You need to go. Alright.
Have you eaten today?
Yeah.
God be with you.
Alright.
We are not interested in you, but your side of the story. Are we ready to go? No. You can remain silent. But until so bekanye onimno, yamfa wonko court. Boss, I need a lawyer. Lawyers are not on our shelves. But metima show boss information bia here from wono yensa bekan. Oji sir. Do you want us to get the information from you? I think you consent to what I just said. Corporal, sir, kill him. Break his head.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate, sir. You think they play with you? Eh? Do you think they play with you? Eh? Do you think they play with you?
Oh, banana me boy. Me mo bibia.
Oh, that. Ate.
Ayo.
Hey. Enka kambehwe so betimi anya bi contact amame ha.
Mana me boss.
Oh, that.
No.
Oh, what's the minimum that? Oh, yeah, I send you contact that. Hey, I don't know. Man be ball game wa do winning na utua no.
Bema. Bet obia win. Obia win in wotua ne ka wa me na mutua ni panika. Nti hwana na Erica.
Oh, Nancy de na me kire no. The utua na last game no. Me
obia win ni bia man na mutua ne ka last game daben.
Oh, mamche. Ente bia sa enene nansa 3 days ago yeah.
3 days ago.
Yeah.
Kofi bet 12 no booking.
Where check go back kai.
Bema. Abejuma na. Eh fanati.
Sisi has as we ni nso ade kakra bi sa nana. Hwehwe ni mi a ho de fa we bi za me question. Na ma na magie na eduma me ye de fa ho be.
Number na beje. Na kwe. Intimi mbo baby at intimi cage meya. Ko, nso me ni bibia na ka.
Amina. Insa ogugu ton na aso ye quick temper zan. No mo ton bele so mo nya dey.
Bema. Let's see. Say ni baby at. Na enu meju meya. Na ni Kofi akwadwo na ho. Ihu baby atene hu adwuma ya. Na aba. I'm here. Like I show I. I'm not going to pay any sorry now.
Gina, so how are you today? Today what am I buying? Mrs. Asare.
Yes. Bring my things outside. So I heard it in the news, I think a day after the incident. And to media phone from no here kakra, because they are the same people I work at the accountants and the security no. Oh, baby, what's where you draw on your honor where you draw?
How you take no say you really work for them?
Well, he didn't tell me, but I managed to know. Officer, this thing looked planned.
So you by any chance meet any of them before now?
I just told you these people are fake and you're here telling me I'm a meeting one. What kind of question is this?
And so you suspect any one of them?
Officer, apart from my husband, any other person who knew about this money is a suspect.
Plus including yourself?
Officer, are you here?
Are they here? I move.
Thank you. You're welcome. Are you going my way?
No, Are Chris. Go with the Lord, eh?
This is an investigation of consider.
Baby's from Kubia and see.
Into driver and security will do them.
Now, where I see maybe say me in Germany who then?
When you're she, when you're mushy, mo won't come so we be seeing for.
Remember, it's that when you be seeing there be a year. I'm a mini asama. It's the match not to be.
Because me him the one year she, when you mushy. Me suspect what girls no. Me him the one you who baby. There's a man met you one. But someone who that buyer.
Since cano, say Miss Afuno, Sabazo, one fa, Minyakum, one babeda.
Michelle police officer no cry. From all kinds of Jindi de Bunya scan.
Mila murder.
This is a ming then. Me show concern a way. Me show concern a hey. Me kasa do man kasa na mo attitude. Unti say wala ku me out then. Maybe I may be a bekasa. Maybe I may be on your face. I'm a baby. I'm on farm home. On farm kasa na mpeda me kasa keke. This is a one idea. I'm a pain. Da no drink bath for neighborhood.
hear me?
Come. Nas. Uja, abang zina pada kasa. Dia hanya makan. Oh, dia kacau no. Win jail.
Sisi apere makana. Sisi apere makana. Apere mo boleta. Asama me nyama ka zo still. Aba sampara wo pere magi. Oi.
We still time. Oh yeah, suspect. Until they can you unim. Ni ajao na Kofi ko je wa ho.
Boss. Oya wanda ade na mo wana me pay hu. Tanka me fi papa bia ma rent na mo papa bia mo dadu me nje ho na mba shade na wontete wonjojo mkeke. Asam me nyi bibia aka wo bi. Asam wo pede mo kanya maka. Ma me nyi nya maka. Sisa mo nkada no biem. Ana be bibi wo pere wota won kan jamra mo kan wan e. Asam ma kan nya acha wan.
See. Onya me dede eda. Onya me de kra. Então, you should be na culture. Se asem na wonsem, mutum ka bibia wo.
Na me je wa na de je wonsem.
Na me se wonsem, but until there obinya asem wo hwehwe. Mo jaw.
Man kan tisa. Okay, man kadan, man yadan, man balata. Afera man kadan.
Emma ejuma no nyedi. But emma ejuma no nyedi. Kan ya uni ni emma onko.
The secretary na mekan hasan.
Oh, okay.
It's Mr. Pade. Mau Jojo, listen up. I bring her on the double bond. You know, you mission.
The Elijah Moha.
Never know Joa. I don't know the book day. Parliament.
I mean, there's one that I should know,
Madam the baby, and once from the day. So I'm some of what's happened.
Corporal! Abasamba never I will catch them. Abasam never maka.
Can't tree now or con.
Come in your moshi. As a woman, you mean not market. As a woman, sorry. I say also to buy them in boss like a sir. Sorry, and when I'm boss, could be here. Could be no, it's a boss when I'm boss, my friend.
Officer, as I'm right, no, but your evidence can cry. Jam. Now, 1 more month, 1 trillion, papa, no can cry.
Oh, yeah, very fine.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah,
Message.
Okay.
I was thinking, say, we'll be here at the services of a secretary.
Later, right? No.
Why? I didn't when just say work is a standstill.
As to whether I'll be the secretary or not, no. Well, my decision.
Anyway, go through these documents. Now, mommy, who adult me, I start taking.
Resign.
Word of caution. She's married. Or you're about worryful.
A married woman in my office.
Uncle Dane.
Yes. Hey, officer.
Yes.
Please, come and have a seat.
Thank you.
Sweetheart, excuse us. Yes, excuse me.
Okay.
Good job.
That's all right. Abom.
Every me buy any bonnet.
In some me koso. Many know. And you're professional cry. Cause Saviour my yache. Yes, and I'm also a professional trained investigative police officer. Yes. With part of Yejuma, we need every information to build up a case. Inti adena die me hia ni na muntimi fa ma me amwakata ne maswama mintimi nya meduma yi.
We're the best person for this job, of course. Inti house no there ampa. I
need to know the chairman, son. Of course, me for meduma in the agro. Me for meduma in the agro. Ti adena mwakata ne maswama hu ne maso. First of all, security officer any accountant. Me so many adwuma wa.
Now, Edem need the information.
Yes. Adwuma no. Nti ade na won so wan kan kire me.
Nti sisi ade nyim.
Me pesa wo na ka kire me.
Anyway, all the na make kire there. I mean I'm partners. You are not diligent enough. Anyway, Misan could be say or one security officer on there. Then papa also on you more listening you.
Tadena we na minim. No.
Nanya.
Why sure?
Oh. Second Jim Miska. Into our homes send Ubo.
Okay. Mr. Zari.
Yes.
That's it. To know Bako Station, Betamenka.
You. My driver's uncle in sound.
With the patrol cars.
Hello? I said now I'm your cousin plan we feel. My friend and the mom in Sasson Cowan. Ah well, at the end of the day, or I miss us so. All around will be our Baba Sans Abamundo. Oh, okay. Oh, go on and I'm home, baby. He's dying slowly. Ewa, don't worry. I will chase one. Me throw back eye. Me throw back sisia. Bye.
Wabo. Walo. Mama logio. Ya de beji che alo.
Farouk. Missy Camera. Man, shame me name yet said you own him the metre no. Basically, where my money dey? I no see am. I put my money for here, I no define am. Me my share bag no ma share mpana say share baby am hu dem patrol from Missy Camera.
Guy, I say I no see your money.
Farouk say men on me di. Huh? Yeah, you know what them want. Enyam no pen that say. Na sika ira na me hwehwe na me hu a. Wan bi na nka me ko bisa landlord. Enyo na me bisa wo.
Where you look for your money, you no take your money.
Hey, Farouk. I beg you up me a search.
Where you want search?
My I've searched everywhere. Me a hwehwe drawer ni, my hwehwe bag me hu nto one nipa bia na hu so.
If you know say I will slap you, you slap me. Now your money lost. Be careful, my family they around there. Hey! Which kind of rubbish be that? Which they worry you?
Hey.
Why you touch my family? I don't like that thing.
The man say no more do that.
Farouk, I put it to you. Scanner Shah.
No, measurement sikane sha.
Because I did my way that next £1 sign. This year £35. Farouk, I have to take over. Farouk, which kind of rubbish? I have to take. No.
Now where are your size? John, where your size? John. John, wait. If I bring them out,
you have to say see, I don't like this kind of attitude. See, me a quick temper. So into office can me.
If you see, I don't get time. You get money for this house. Farouk. Yeah, I did a monkey. You wake up in the morning, they ask me money. You get money for this house. If you get money, search for your money now. I don't get time. If you do it, I'll slap you. If you touch me again.
Hey, you will slap your fellow police officer.
Can you hear yourself? No, naked now, so that we just be civilian.
If I will not try am, see, no, not try am. I read It be me, my money loss. No be you. God, no talk about slap. Not try am.
May I slap you as a civilian? I won't remove this thing, slap you. See, I go wipe you, slap you, go confuse you. I'll take your money.
You brush?
Try.
Check, test. You did good for you.
Because your money lost, you won't disrespect me.
Farouk. See, you better give me money.
No, seriously, I don't take your money. I don't joke. I don't take your money.
It's better we play, but I don't like this. I don't like if you have taken money.
I don't take. I dey go, guy, I beg. I dey wait for you outside. I don't take your money. Which kind of rubbish be this one now? I don't give you wow.
Consume of fire and call the back here.
Breakfast I already.
No, means easy.
And I mean, take away money for Kujma.
This means easy. By force, they meet the rich man.
This is I mean, then for the past 3 months, in the Meziban.
Oh, actually, I can't order one.
Saga. On internet, Edem now. It's some hard meter. Me young you.
Meter, it's more. Fabo. Bobano.
Bloody!
Boss, what do you want to know? What do you want to know? Everything. The beer, only beer. Time I won't this can I hear. It's a long story. It's a long story. It's short. I remember some of was right there. And then this can be a don't come at the partner. So I should find out where the driver is. And so when I even called him, he was at the mechanic shop. Or fix people a car or whatever. Yeah, or the car no coffee. Debbie, but if he has to take it home, he tells the manager. Now, so I don't know, or the car no coffee. Okay, continue. I want to do an accountant and security guard on your book, and they were already there. Only security in the Kasai. When he came, I asked him if he's the one taking us, and he said, yes, I'm so okay, so on your good on no. No.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Is he talking now or Kasa?
Yes.
Commander, I'm private.
Okay, all right. All right. I'll do this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, from the data. You guys in here, but too high. A brand new day, one power. So, you bear man, as a what the fuck, what the what is. Maybe Boba, what it. But in the store, I give it to what you know. No go feel it, no go feel it. Get to me. No go feel it, no go feel it.
Random music.
I be the mastermind, if you play me, I go show you. Be my tone, I'm sing. Me let you my sing. Ebe mara mi nyejuma. Me de margin in yansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Boy see yansu ye pre wate. Udi see ya metu.